Short selling is when you bet on, you try to profit from the potential decline of a stock. What you do is you borrow stocks from somebody to sell it with the agreement that you're going to buy it back later. Now, what's your incentive for doing that? You're buying it back later from another party to return because you are hoping that you can buy it back at a lower price. That's what short selling is. You're betting on the possible decline of a stock because you're saying that, hey, maybe the stock price is overvalued. It might be too expensive and will start to come down. Hence, I'm going to sell this to you and buy it back from you at a later date. So I can make profit when I buy it back from you at a lower price. So here are the main takeaways, though, of the guidelines. There are only a number of stocks that can actually be short sold. In fact, they're limiting it down to only main index stocks and ETFs as being eligible for short selling. So if you want to short Philippine Airlines, for instance, you can't because that's not part of the PSEI. If you want to short, say, Bloomberry, Emperador, these stocks are not there. You can only short the likes of Meralco, Jollibee, Metro Pacific Investments, you name it, the blue chips pretty much, Ayala Corporation there. Only main index stocks and ETFs, and they have to maintain a 10% short interest ratio. Now, this means that you can only short up to 10% of common outstanding shares. So if the total number of short positions on the markets are 10% of outstanding shares of any of these issues, it gets capped there, and you can't do any more short selling for that stock until it starts to even out. In fact, the PSE is also requiring itself to publish daily the number of short transaction positions that that each stock will have, and also the number of the exact positions of these short positions on these particular stocks. And you can only do this through trading participants recognized by the PSE. So you can't go directly into your brokerage account and say, hey, I want to short the stock. You've got to go through a trading participant, such as a registered broker there. So the idea is to improve liquidity, and hopefully this might bring more foreign funds.